Hey folks, for those of you who are feeling somewhat or maybe really deconditioned, just not very strong, or almost maybe saying like you're feeling really weak because of maybe injury, illness, lack of activity, whatever the case is, I just want to cheer you on. And, we don't always share all of our things, but I know that feeling of one time being strong, another time sort of fast forward, I've not. I've had my share of injuries and surgeries and all of those pieces where we've needed to rebuild our body, mind, and spirit, because we really, when we feel strong physically, it really helps us feel strong in other ways. So today, if you're feeling really blah and deconditioned and just not as strong as you want to be, I just want to cheer you on to find the smallest pain-free movement that you have available to you and try that. Try 2 reps, 3 reps, whatever that is. Maybe it's a biceps curl. Maybe it's opening and closing your hand. Whatever the case is, I just want to cheer you on to find some movement that's available to you and think about that. Move through that motion and then see what grows, right? Tomorrow, see what you're able to do. The point is, folks, we have to keep moving in whatever way our body allows to help you move back to being strong. See you soon.